Have you ever wondered how simply saying yes could change your life? In today's session, we look into the profound impact that accepting the law of attraction through affirmative actions and thoughts can have on our daily experiences and overall destiny. The principle of attraction is straightforward yet powerful, like attracts like. This means that positive thoughts and actions tend to bring more positivity into your life. By focusing on this principle, we can unlock a world where opportunities flow towards us with greater ease. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated often, reinforce the mental images and feelings that reflect our deepest desires and goals. They are not just wishful thinking, but a cognitive tool used to rewire our brains, encouraging a more positive mental landscape. Each time we articulate an affirmation, we do more than just send a message to the universe. We affirm our own ability to mold our future and reshape our thoughts. The true power of affirmations lies in their simplicity and their ability to alter our mindset systematically. For instance, a statement as simple as, "I am open to new opportunities," doesn't just reflect a passive state of waiting, but actively prepares the mind to recognize and receive new possibilities. This shift is crucial because our subconscious plays a significant role in the decisions we make daily. By aligning our conscious thoughts with positive affirmations, we nurture a mindset that naturally gravitates towards favorable outcomes. Affirmations work best when they are specific and related to genuine aspirations. They need to resonate with your personal ambitions and reflect a realistic path towards achieving them. It's not merely about stating what you want, but believing in the possibility of its attainment. This belief is not grounded in fantasy, but a steadfast confidence in your actions and the choices you make every day. Moving on, the simple act of saying yes can be transformative. It is a powerful affirmation in itself. When you say yes, you do more than accept an offer or agree to a proposal. You open a door to new possibilities. Saying yes is fundamentally an act of courage. It involves stepping out of your comfort zone and accepting the potential for change. This single syllable can lead to new ventures, relationships, and insights, illustrating the direct application of the law of attraction in your daily interactions. Consider the law of attraction as a magnet. When you say yes, you increase the strength of your magnet, pulling in more of what aligns with your affirmations. This process starts with acknowledging and seizing the opportunities that resonate with your affirmations. For instance, if your affirmation is to find joy in your everyday life, saying yes to trying new activities, meeting new people, or exploring new ideas can guide you to experiences that fulfill this affirmation. The act of saying yes can sometimes be as simple as accepting yourself in your current circumstances, which paves the way for positive change. Self-acceptance is a critical step in the law of attraction, as it aligns your internal state with external opportunities. When you are at peace with who you are, you emit a frequency of confidence and openness, attracting circumstances that mirror this self-assurance. Aligning your thoughts with your desires is a critical aspect of the law of attraction. This alignment ensures that your mental energies and actions are focused towards realizing your goals, enhancing the effectiveness of your affirmations. The key here is consistency in your thoughts and feelings. When your thoughts consistently reflect your desires, you create a strong vibrational match for attracting the necessary resources and opportunities. To start, clarity is essential. You need to clearly define what you desire. Ask yourself what you truly want to attract into your life. This might be improved health, a new job, or deeper relationships. Once your goal is clear, you use affirmations to reinforce this vision. For example, if your goal is to improve your health, your affirmations might be, "I am healthy, energetic, and full of vitality." These affirmations should be recited daily, and you should spend time visualizing yourself as achieving these goals. The process also involves monitoring and adjusting your thoughts regularly. This means actively replacing any negative thoughts that contradict your affirmations with positive ones. It's about making a deliberate effort to maintain a positive outlook and to see challenges as opportunities to reaffirm your commitment to your goals. Overcoming negativity is perhaps one of the most challenging aspects of practicing the law of attraction, yet it is also one of the most impactful. Negativity can come from internal doubts or external criticisms, and it can quickly derail your efforts if not managed properly. One effective strategy for combating negativity is the practice of mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. By becoming more aware of your thoughts, you can begin to detect patterns of negativity that may be hindering your progress. When you notice negative thoughts, consciously choose to focus on positive affirmations instead. This does not mean ignoring your problems, but rather shifting your perspective on them. View them as temporary obstacles that are surmountable with the right mindset. Another important aspect is to create a supportive environment that reinforces your positive affirmations and goals. This could involve surrounding yourself with positive influences such as books, music, or even social circles that encourage your growth. The environment you create should reflect the reality you wish to manifest. Saying yes more often can dramatically shift your energy and open you up to a world of possibilities. To start incorporating this practice into your daily life, it's essential to recognize and seize small opportunities as they arise. Each affirmative action you take is like a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive more. Begin with your daily interactions, whether it's agreeing to a new project at work, accepting an invitation that might usually be outside your comfort zone, or trying out a new hobby. Each yes can lead to unexpected and enriching experiences. It's also important to pay attention to your internal dialogue. When you catch yourself thinking, "I can't" or "I shouldn't," pause and reconsider. Could this be an opportunity to say yes and open a new doorway? Another practical method is to set daily or weekly goals to say yes to something new. This could be as simple as sampling a new type of cuisine, reaching out to a potential new friend, or attending an event. These actions reinforce your openness to new experiences and help strengthen your attraction muscles. Gratitude is a powerful tool in the law of attraction as it elevates your vibration and can transform your approach to life. By focusing on what you are thankful for, you shift your attention from what you lack to what you possess, attracting more abundance. To integrate gratitude into your law of attraction practice, start and end your day by listing 3 things you are grateful for. This could be as simple as appreciating a good meal, the comfort of your home, or meaningful interactions with others. Expressing gratitude for these everyday blessings reinforces your positive outlook and attracts more goodness into your life. Consider keeping a gratitude journal. This not only allows you to record and reflect on your blessings, but also serves as a reminder of your progress and the positive changes unfolding in your life. When you are feeling low or faced with challenges, looking back at your gratitude entries can provide a significant boost and remind you of the positive aspects of your circumstances. The practice of affirmations and the law of attraction is not a quick fix, but a long-term journey that cultivates deep and lasting changes in your life. The benefits of maintaining a positive affirmation practice are extensive and impact various aspects of well-being. Mentally, the continuous practice of positive affirmations helps to reinforce a mindset of abundance and possibility, which can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. Emotionally, it fosters a sense of inner peace and happiness as you consistently focus on positive aspects and outcomes. Physically, a positive mindset has been linked to better health and vitality, as stress reduction and an improved emotional state can contribute to better physical health. The long-term practice of saying yes more often and accepting gratitude encourages a life perspective that is open to growth and continual learning. It creates a cycle where positivity breeds more positivity, thus attracting even more positive experiences and opportunities into your life. Gratitude is more than just a reactionary emotion to positive occurrences. It is a proactive approach to life that can dramatically alter our perception of our daily experiences. To deepen the practice of gratitude, it is essential to incorporate it into our routine in a structured way that goes beyond occasional thankful thoughts. A practical method to enhance this practice is through gratitude meditation. Dedicate a few minutes each day to sit quietly and reflect on the aspects of your life you are thankful for, from the most significant achievements to the simplest pleasures. This regular practice helps in shifting your focus from what you lack to what you possess, cultivating an abundance mindset that naturally attracts more positivity. Extending gratitude outward by expressing it to others not only strengthens your relationships, but also reinforces your own feelings of thankfulness. Acts of kindness and words of appreciation are simple ways to manifest gratitude that benefit both giver and receiver, creating a ripple effect of positivity. While we end the video of the law of attraction and the power of saying yes and practicing gratitude, remember that these tools are not just theoretical concepts, but practical applications that require consistency and dedication. The journey of transforming your life through positive affirmations and gratitude is ongoing and evolves with every step you take. I encourage you to start today by identifying one small way to say yes to a new opportunity or to express gratitude for something you typically overlook. These small steps build the foundation for larger changes, and over time, they accumulate to create a profound impact on your overall well-being and life trajectory.